Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT ADF new batch session number 1. Before starting the session, I would just like take 2 to 3 minutes of your time and I'll just go through our social media handles. Okay, I'll just like walk you all through our social media handles. Then I'll hand over the session to our trainer Sai Sri Garu. From there, she'll continue. Stay connected. If you have any doubts, please feel free to text in the chat or you'll get the unmute access also. So just stay connected till Sai Sugar explanation. Then you'll get the unmute access also. Okay. Yes. Let me start with our YouTube channel. You can search for Ras Cloud Tech YouTube channel so that you'll get it. Okay. This is our YouTube channel. Okay. This is our YouTube channel. RAS Cloud Technologies job-based trainings. Okay. So we have 36,400 plus subscribers. We uploaded like many videos here. If you just visit our video section, you can find out videos related to AWS DevOps, Azure, Snowflake, Salesforce, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Generative AI, AI and Machine Learning, Python full stack development, Salesforce, cybersecurity. Okay. Many useful videos are available in our YouTube channel. Just visit the channel once. Okay, so that like you'll get the complete information on this. Okay, just visit our channel once. I am sharing you the channel link here. I am sharing you the channel link here in the Zoom chat. Please go through. Please go through with this link, and you can follow our Instagram page as well here. Okay, yeah, and let me take you to the Instagram page. So this is our Instagram page. Okay, so RAS Cloud Technologies, RAS Cloud Tech. This is our username. You can search for RAS Cloud Tech. You will find out the page here, and in our Instagram page especially we will be posting about the job openings. Whenever there is any job openings are available, we will be posting in our stories. You can just check out here in the highlights. I will be adding all the job postings as well. Okay, so this is how like we will be posting the all job openings here. Okay, you can just check out here. Okay, this is how like we'll be posting the job openings as well. To get the job openings updates and all. Okay, so please follow our Instagram page. I am sharing you the channel link. Yeah, I have just shared you the channel link in the Zoom chat. So please use this link and follow our channel so that like you'll get all the updates here actually. Now let me take you to the website. So this is our website. We have official website called rascloudtech.com. So I request everyone, if there is any of our previous batch students or any of our previous course students, please note down that we have changed our URL from rasinformatica.com to rascloudtech.com. This is our new URL. So please search with Ras Cloud Technologies or rascloudtech.com so that you'll get it. Okay, so and this is our website. So here you can see the wishes as well. So first of all, we welcome you all to our like Snowflake DBT ADF, a new batch in this new year to upskill yourself. Like you have opted for the RAS Cloud Technologies. So we wish you a very good luck this year. So whatever the learnings you are doing this year, for sure it will help you a lot to your career growth. Okay, this is our website. If you just scroll down here, you can just check out software trainings that we are offering. So we offer generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, Power BI, AWS DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, SAP CPI, data science, Salesforce, Python with AI, Python full stack with AI, GCP professional certification training, and Python for AI and Chat GPT. So these are our other courses as well. So you can just like have a look in our website. Okay, these are the courses available in RAS Cloud Technologies. Just above this section, there is a section called free live sessions, the upcoming free live sessions. Whenever there is any free live session is available, you can get the link from our website directly here. You can check out here Snowflake plus DBT ADF 27th, sorry, 2nd January 2026 at 7 p.m. So today we have a session. And again, today at 8 p.m. like we have AWS and DevOps. And tomorrow like we have at 7 p.m. Informatica Power Center. Okay, on 4th of January, we have Salesforce. So this is how like we will be updating every time here. If there is any new demo will be there. So at that time, we will be posting like this. Got it? Yeah. Apart from these things, we have interview questions updated here. You can see the Snowflake interview questions also. We have materials updated here, internship programs, jobs, many things are available here. Okay. So just stay connected till end of the session so that like we can discuss more about the jobs at the end. Okay. Many people are new to today's session. So just stay connected till end of the session. We will discuss more about the job opportunities and other things as well. Yeah, service now like very soon like we are going to start. So, Varun, like, see, we will be uploading like whenever there is any free sessions are available. These free sessions videos will be available there. Okay, just like drop your number. Okay, I'll connect you personally and help you with like where you can find out the videos and all. Okay, just drop your phone number. So let me take you to the Snowflake page completely. Just go to the courses section, click on Snowflake training. Once you click on Snowflake training, it will take you to the Snowflake page where you can get the complete updated information about the Snowflake program. So the batch is starting from today. Today is the session number 1. So previously like we have done introduction class and demo sessions. Today is session number 1 completely. So this is a technical session. You can see the new batch is starting from 2nd of January here. And the technologies that we are going to cover here: Snowflake, DBT, ADF, Oracle Basics, complete real-time projects, interview questions and resume preparation will be covered here. Okay. So you can check out the complete page so that you can find out about the job opportunities, the experiences, about the salary range, everything you can just check it out here. Okay. And what are the job roles available after completion of this program? And what is the curriculum? Okay. By the end of the program, like what and all you will be able to do. The group discount. Okay. About your trainer's profile. If you want to know more about your trainer's profile, here it is. Okay. And coming to the timings, we have two batches, morning and evening batches. The morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. This new batch is for morning batch. As today is the last free session, we are offering the session at 7 p.m. today. But from the next class, the session timings will be morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Okay, so just stay connected till end of the session so that like we can discuss about the job and the course fees, group discounts, everything I'll be discussing about at all these things at the end. Sai Sugar, just a second, we'll start the meeting. Just give me a second. Now the people who haven't added to the WhatsApp groups, please drop your please drop your name, WhatsApp number, drop your name and WhatsApp number also. Drop your name and WhatsApp number quickly so that like we'll be jumping into the technical part. We will share you the we will share you the today's session recording as well, and we'll share you the WhatsApp group link also. We have a specific WhatsApp group on Snowflake developers, so we will be posting the complete project updates. You will be getting the job updates. If there is any new classes available, you will be getting the updates. Every update you will get in this group. To get this group link and to get today's session recording and material, just drop your name and WhatsApp number. You will get the both material and today's session recording as well. I'm just like enabling the timer for 1 minute. Please be quick. Please be quick and drop your name and WhatsApp number in the Zoom chat. I have just started the timer. If you are from a different country, please drop the number with country code. If you are from a different country, please drop the number with country code. I hope like everyone have dropped your name and WhatsApp number. If you haven't dropped it yet, you can drop me. Okay. So still the chat is open for everyone. You can drop your name and WhatsApp number. Sai Sugar, over to you, please. I'll be discussing again all these things at the end. Just stay connected. Just stay connected till end of the session. You'll get a good knowledge in today's session. Thank you all. Over to you, Sai Sugar.
Today we are going to discuss about account creation. Okay, only account creation and exploring some options on the account. Okay, very easy and simple topic I'm going to take, and each and every step little bit deep level we will discuss. Okay, but from coming up on from next session onwards, like I'll go with different topics. Every day you will touch the different topics, guys. With the practical and theoretical, I will touch. Okay, and we will provide the material for the related topic on regular basis only, and these sessions compulsory Monday to Saturday we have the class at the same timing. No changes at the weekend or weekdays and weekend, both days we are going to continue with the same timing. So Monday to Saturday we have class. Okay. Some people asked me that weekend all these questions, so I'm answering to them. And, the class with the
Sai Sri, sorry for the interruption. Actually, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Sai Sri, it is good now.
Fine. So let me know if still my voice is breaking. So yeah, today we are going with the first session with the account creation, and let us explore some information about account and topics. Okay. So yeah. Fine. So first, on previous class also I gave just overview on the account creation. I changed my net. Let me know if I disconnected again. So so you no need to worry. So 30 days it is expiring. So again I have to recreate, means yes, it's a free trial account, right? You have to recreate. But the best thing here is one email ID is enough. How many accounts you created also same email ID will work for multiple account creation. You no need to worry on that part. Okay, one email ID, I mean whatever the mail ID you are using now, the same mail ID you can use for multiple account creation. Okay, so your account expired also, it's not a problem to us, but 30 days only it is free for us. Okay, after that you have to give first name and last name. Okay, work mail ID. So whatever the mail ID you want to give, because you will receive the activation link, guys. So mail ID is very important here. Give proper mail ID. Okay, valid mail ID. Please try to give. Don't give invalid email ID. So giving the mail ID. Okay. This mail ID I'm using from long run. Still I created multiple accounts. Still it is supporting. So one mail ID, multiple accounts. Right now I can create 10 accounts at a time. No problem. Mail ID will support. So that's the reason I'm saying we don't have any issue to reuse the mail ID here. And even details also I will reuse multiple times. So here other option. Why we are sign up means just go with other. This is the basic, very basic information we are going to provide. Okay. Now, company name. Whatever, any company name you can give. You no need to give your own company name. And after that, we have to give title, job title. Okay. We have to give job title. That's it. And now you have to understand now very clearly. Okay. From here onwards. In Snowflake, we don't have any versions. Okay, version 1, version 2.0, 2.0, 1.9, like these versions we don't have. Completely, Snowflake is having editions only. Completely in real time. Also, this is our, I mean, this is the way how it is going to use. Okay, this is the way how they are going to be sign up. Okay, so and completely edition based only. Okay, so which edition you have to choose in real time, that is completely who is going to decide, client is going to decide. Means one account we will create and multiple users will add. If you are user, for example, you are the person joined in the company, you will add as a user, you won't create any account. Getting my point? You never create an account, you will add as a user. So that is the reason client will decide which edition they have to choose. Okay, standard edition, very basic edition, basic. Okay, advanced features are not present here. That is the reason this you don't expect in real time. This edition only we cannot expect, but this edition features are added here. You can see here standard plus. Okay, you can see here clearly standard plus means what is the meaning? This edition features already added plus extra features added in enterprise edition, that is 90 days time travel. What SaiSri, what is time travel means? For your idea purpose, single line I'm saying. Time travel is nothing but to restore the previous data. To restore the historical data, we will use the time travel concept. Okay, what is the purpose of time travel? To restore the historical data. That is the main purpose of time travel concept. Okay, then multi-cluster warehouse. Next, what is that? Multi-cluster warehouse. What is the purpose of multi-cluster warehouse? We can balance the workload. What we can do? We can balance the workload. That is the purpose of multi-cluster warehouse. And metallization views. Okay, metallization view is also one type of views which helps you to get the data automatically. Auto refreshment mode is there with the serverless feature. Like this, extra features are added in enterprise edition. So this in these features, extra features, whatever is there, in that standard edition it is not there. So enterprise edition is holding this as standard edition related features plus extra advanced concepts are added here. That's the reason the client who is dealing with the normal domains, for example, e-commerce domain, it's not sensitive data. Everyone knows this. So e-commerce kind of domain, if they're handling, in that such cases, they will go with the enterprise edition. Okay, in that particular such cases only people will go with the enterprise edition. Okay, so if it is sensitive data is not suitable, sensitive data also suitable, but sensitive data means some extra security we will expect. Okay, then Saisha, extra security means security is not provided by enterprise. 100% every account have security, no doubt in that. Okay, no 100% no doubt, but extra security I'm saying. So whatever the enterprise edition features are there, that also added here, plus extra security is added for sensitive data. Okay, so client will decide which edition they have to use based on uh, their business, completely their business. According to their business, which one is best, which edition is best to use, that will be chosen, and they will, according to that, they will they will create their Snowflake accounts for their business. Okay, as of now, ours is training, so we don't have any sensitive data. If I go with the enterprise business critical, then because of that extra feature, extra cost also will be charged. Why I need to waste my cost? That is the reason. Same, both the same interface base. If you have doubt, you create one account with enterprise, one account with business critical. Both will be same only. That extra security also added. That feature is added, but handled by Snowflake only. Okay, in Snowflake design they handle. So you want to figure out any differences. I worked with both edition in real time as a working process or normal account wise anything, interface basis also, there won't be much difference. Okay, as of now, our requirement is normal data, not sensitive data. So I'm choosing the enterprise edition. Okay, clear? Any specific doubt only on top on particular edition part? Don't ask me other questions right now. Later on, we can discuss. As of now, any questions are you good with this part? Choosing the addition. In real time, you won't get chance to work with this. Why? Because client one time will sign up and will add as a user to you, right? That is the reason in real time you won't do any sign up option only. Clear? Already I give unmute access. Please, you can go with your question also. Anyone can say yes or no. Are you able to follow me?
Yeah, clear with the addition part.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So fine. So next option. Next option. Why Sai? Okay, edition wise futures you are saying. Okay, fine. But why you are going with the cloud providers? Okay, Snowflake is also cloud data warehouse. That is okay. Still, why we are choosing this cloud providers? If you observe, Snowflake runs on top of the cloud platform. Okay, we have to Snowflake. Normally, Snowflake is working on the cloud platform. On this cloud providers only, it is taking support. Here everyone will get doubt. Why this cloud providers is coming into the picture? Why without this we cannot work? Snowflake cannot work independently. This kind of doubts you are getting. And another doubt, I want to learn if my project is hosted, my project related account, Snowflake account is hosted on Azure, means I should know Azure technology, Azure complete subject, or AWS means AWS complete subject, or GCP means GCP. So like these doubts also you'll get. Guys, we are not cloud providers related developers. We are Snowflake developers. You no need to worry on this learning part. 100%, 200% I can give guarantee. If you don't know what is Microsoft Azure account, also no problem. Not at all problem. Okay. So you don't know AWS services, no problem. GCP you don't know, no problem. You no need to learn these technologies only first of all. Cloud providers, you no need to learn. So many services will be there. You no need to learn any services from your side. Then why you are including this part with why you are including or running Snowflake is running on top of this cloud providers means this is a reason. Snowflake how they're designed means Snowflake is working as a storage layer. It have capability to store the data, plus it have capability to execute the queries. So for storing the data, it is choosing the cloud platform. For executing the queries also, it is choosing the cloud platform. Two ways it is choosing the cloud platform. In that particular case, what is happening means because of this cloud platform, Snowflake is not going to Snowflake done little bit different direction. Why I need to create again scratch from the storage layer? Why I need to do the compute layer from scratch layer? What is the purpose? Already it is there in the market. I will use that and I will rework on that. So, for example, your case, for example, in your particular case, I'm saying, for example, what kind of supermarket kind of part, okay? 1 minute. Sorry guys, having sip of water. So here a supermarket is there, right? Okay, they're having warehouses. What they're having? Warehouses. They're storing their products. Maybe it's maybe kind of drinks or any products, guys. Supermarket related products, I am saying. Okay. If whenever supermarket related products are there, they are choosing one rented warehouse. It may be cold storage or any storage. Okay, according to their requirement, they're taking the rental resources. First, they are filling there, and they're trying to they're taking the renter shop and then selling generally. So many places this will happen. So for storage purpose, wherever they're keeping the shop, immediately they won't purchase the shop, place, right? They won't purchase the warehouse complete place, or they will take maximum rented resources only will take. So automatically what will happen? They're understanding the requirement, what this business, I mean, what these people will expect from us, what they are doing, I mean, what they're purchasing more. Like the lot of R&D they will do. Finally, my point is here, they are taking the warehouses as the rented resources, and there they are keeping their products, and then they are selling. So same way, Snowflake also working like that. Snowflake. So same way, here Snowflake also working little bit different way. What is the way means? Why I need to do again from scratch level? Already, cloud providers are available for storage. They already have best storage system. They already have best compute resources. Then again, why I need to take care about this? Why I need to create from the scratch? That is the logic they create. They added there. Okay. So in place of creating from scratch level their own storage there, their own compute layer, they are taking the help of cloud providers. Okay, suppose my client is from different location. If you observe so many locations, whatever, wherever Azure is there, all locations are allowed here. For example, okay, wherever AWS is there, all are allowed. Okay, fine. Wherever GCP is there, all are allowed, right? So my point is here clearly, they are giving the choice to the client. Where is your location for your data center? Where is your location for your business generally? That kind of complete details according to the client requirement means we are the client for them. So as per the client requirement, they're giving the choice to the client. You can choose the particular nearest cloud provider location for storing the data and compute resources. So again, Snowflake is not working. They don't have their own storage. They are running on top of any cloud provider and which region, a location and provider selected by the client. So that is one benefit. Suppose the same work if Snowflake have to do this many locations wherever this many locations are seeing, all the locations they have to start the data centers. They have to give the compute resources for us. So this business will take a lot of time to expand also. That is the reason existing resources they are using. So in that case, Aishri, if I go with Singapore location, for example, without knowing AWS can I work means 100%. What they are saying, choose the location, provider and region. That's it. Choose the provider and region. That's it. Your work is done. You no need to do anything from your side. We will, as a Snowflake company, we will take care about all the backend process. So front end, once you created the account, you cannot identify where they are storing, how they are linked with the, I mean, how they are linked with the AWS Singapore location with this. So they cannot I mean, once they connected with this process, okay, once they connected with this AWS account Singapore location, as per our choice. Suppose I am the client for Snowflake team. Once I connected, that's it. My work is done. No, but nothing have to do from my side. SaiSri, really, we don't go with S3 bucket. We don't want to choose any S3 bucket. Nothing. You no need to touch anything. They won't give access to do that. Okay, you come 100%. I will show you practically also. 100%. Even they won't highlight anyway that you are using AWS S3 bucket service in Singapore location region. Nowhere they will highlight. So it's the very first step onwards only. Just one step we will select and will come side. Remaining all connectivity, protection, security, availability of the data, everything, whatever it may be, whatever storage and compute resources required, options all managed by Snowflake. So I will agree. I will agree. Snowflake is taking the help of these resources, but not free. We are paying to Snowflake. Snowflake is paying to the cloud providers at the back end. So services servers are down again, it will be problem. You no need to worry about the servers compulsory because they have Snowflake 24/7. They have support team. Till now, in my experience, till now, it may be training time or maybe my learning. I mean, my job time. I didn't face any server issues here. Any downtime, server up. These terms only we don't use. Okay, so that is the reason I'm saying Snowflake is Snowflake is completely helping with, with us, to us actually, because for client only this is very benefit, not for Snowflake mainly. Snowflake is helping us to choose the particular reason as per our requirement, and that's it. Done your work. We will take care. This much back end work it is doing. That is the reason Snowflake generally we will say this technology was zero maintenance. Why zero maintenance means back end lot of maintenance is done by Snowflake. Today you may not understand but coming up classes, you will identify lot of maintenance. Generally, some technologies networking policy team will be there. I don't know how many of you know. Generally, some technologies I will see that the networking policy, networking related team separately. But in Snowflake, we don't have any networking. Admin and developer, the two parts only. Okay, like this, so many maintenance are done, are not there in Snowflake because it's not hardware setup, completely software, right? Like this, so many benefits are there in Snowflake. In this, this is one of the best benefit for the customer. Okay. Any questions on this? Any questions on this, guys? You can ask any question. Yeah. Dinesh.
Sai Sri, Dinesh this side. So does the Snowflake has any programming language?
SQL language, that's it.
Okay.
No other. It will support Python also. I'll agree with that. I can don't come with that point. Python will support, but as a Snowflake developer with SQL, you can complete your task. No doubt in that.
Okay. So may I know in this course curriculum SQL will be covered?
Already our team is covering with I am not going to take the classes. Separately, they are providing classes for you. Karthik will give and all these details, SQL related details.
Okay.
You are joining today only?
Yeah, this is my first class.
Okay, then please wait till end. Karthik will give a lot of information about SQL, everything. Okay?
Okay.
Already he provided, but again he will provide. Yeah.
Any other prerequisite needed to learn this?
You don't have, suppose you don't have any IT knowledge also, please come. No problem here. We are taking from scratch level. That's the reason no pre-request only. But SQL is important. The SQL also some people don't know, right? That training also we are only giving. We are providing that classes also.
Okay, to which level does a person should know SQL?
Intermediate, I can say. SQL is an endless language. Lot of things are there. Right? We cannot say this much, but intermediate till joins, conditions like that. If you know, you can crack the interview very easily.
Okay. Okay, Sai.
Sai Sri, this is Ravi.
Ravi.
Sai Sri, I just want to know one thing. For example, in the Snowflake, even inside the projects, we are using the PySpark also here.
Snowpark one concept is there. Okay, now we are not hearing about that concept. Snowpark is nothing but PySpark only. Spark related concept. Inside of Snowflake using Spark technology. Okay, that concept they introduced, but in real time we are not using still. They're trying with POCs, trial and error methods are going on. Real time, I'm not seeing much opportunities on that.
Okay.
If you
Without
want to learn Snowpark, it's a big
okay.
data technology. Again, your track completely will change. And I cannot
Oh,
give job guarantee also. I'm also saying, frankly, I'm saying because I'm the Spark developer before Snowflake. Okay. So I
okay.
am only not giving assurance means if you don't know anything means you have to learn a lot Spark, Python, Snowflake, lot of combinations, but I'm not sure that won't work maximum. As of market, I'm saying right now.
Okay. Most of the companies as of now, we are using only the Snowflake only, right? But
Snowflake
inside,
developer, yeah. Spark is not totally introduced probably because Spark, if you want to use libraries, you want to use. If you want to use libraries, Python interface should work properly, supporting the installations of libraries. Lot of background is there. That all
okay.
still under progress. Software should support, right? First of all,
Okay.
they're
Okay.
trying. They're trying, still in progress.
Okay.
Don't waste time there
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
because
Is
I'm
Snowpark
taking. Yeah, tell me, Thomas.
is alternative to Databricks?
Right, you are right. Databricks already PySpark is working, right? Snowflake team is also trying to introduce. We want to use Spark in Snowflake. Databricks with Spark, Snowflake with Spark. Here Snowpark we are saying. There PySpark people are saying. Big difference.
And SaiSri, this is Hari Charan.
Yeah, Hari, tell me.
Yeah, actually, Python is not important for this.
Zero knowledge. Python not required at all. Don't think, Saisha, I saw this Python requirement in my job descriptions. Please don't follow job descriptions.
Because
As a try.
I created the account also Snowflake, which shows
Uh,
previously it was showing SQL worksheet. Now it's showing SQL
Py-
file, and also
yeah.
below to that it is showing Python.
Yes, right. 1 minute, if you don't mind, all of you, can you say yes or no? You have any doubts on this? I will close this. I can explain you more information about that. I'm waiting questions on this. Just a minute.
Yeah,
Nobody
sure.
have no questions on this? Can I move forward? Because our track
Nothing
is
from my
deep.
end.
Okay. Others, anyone? I'll face 1 or 2 questions from students in this part. Okay, fine. I'm doing.
SaiSri, one. Okay.
Varun.
By using AWS, you have created this Snowflake account, right?
Right.
Okay. But in they mention Snowflake DBT with ADF. Okay. But ADF is belongs to Azure. How it will work?
1 minute. I am AWS real-time AWS account is there, right? AWS account, cloud provider, separate account,
Yeah.
right? That we have to create. That is different. This is different. What I'm saying, Snowflake don't have storage layer, its own storage layer. It is using third party. Means this are third party, for example. So how it is depending, I'm showing you this and that, no relation, no relation only. Now you are thinking SaiSri is in AWS. So Azure and ADF, how it will connect? That is your question. Am I right?
Yeah.
So if you hosted on AWS also, integrations concept is there. Okay. That is the beauty of Snowflake. If you host on this account, you are creating account with the combination of any cloud provider also. Other cloud providers integration will be supported. Getting my point? So
Yeah.
this is one time. Why we are choosing this? I want this particular space. AWS means S3 bucket. Azure means blob storage. GCP means Google storage. Generally, we'll say. So, like the storage and compute resources from where Snowflake have to choose that information only I'm giving here. Okay, that's it. Done. Once the account is available, activated, I can connect any of these cloud providers with separate accounts. Backend, you cannot see this all. Let me create and show you for your understanding. Backend, You actually, once you joined, if you want, you have to go deep level. Then only you can find where this account is hosted, or else you cannot see. 1 minute. I created so many, so I am getting all this. For you, may not get. Okay, directly you can create. Okay, fine. You no need to go anything here. This is an inquiry. I'll get the activation link to my mail ID. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah, I should get. Yes, this is my activation link. See, sometimes 1 or 2 minutes will take time for some people. Don't worry about that. Okay, sometimes within seconds also will get. Click to activate. Or then I'll give answer clearly to you. I'll showcase this all. Okay. So now please be on the mute. If you have any sound, please. Okay. So here, if you observe, Varun, anywhere you are able to see about AWS information in URL?
No.
No, right? Yeah. So we can go with the projects also. Anywhere, anything you observe, nowhere you find, okay, this is related to AWS. So we are saying this particular location I want to here. See, I open worksheet. You are able to see anything here AWS? No. Enter account, you check, you cannot see anywhere AWS related information. Then how I know, Sai Sri, where this account is hosted? In that particular, if you have that question, go to accounts here. Okay, here you can identify where this hosted, where this account is hosted, in which region and which edition also. Apart from that, everywhere it won't showcase all these details. So my point is, only we are taking the rental resources of space and compute resources, storage and compute. This resources space we are occupying. That's it. We are not doing anything. Back end, this is hosting. Front end, once we have the account, now separate AWS account you have to create. Okay, AWS with Snowflake means not hosting. Separate AWS account, separate Azure account, separate DBT accounts. We will create and we will integrate with these accounts. That I'm going to show you personal, separate topic. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
So in real time also, they will provide separate Azure account. You will log in that account. That is separate interface, and this is, you will integrate and you will load the data. Okay. So now backend, whatever the data I'm loading in this account, that is loaded into AWS Singapore location S3 bucket. Actually, if I go to this option, then I know about this information, or else nobody can find out where is this account hosted. So completely Snowflake team is handling that process. Billing also, we won't pay anything. AWS direct connection only we won't have. Snowflake connection only. We are Snowflake is our front face. That's it. Back end, how Snowflake is working, how they are sharing the amount, how much charges AWS is charging for Snowflake. That all will be hidden from us. Direct bill will be Snowflake only, billing part. Okay. Any questions still on this particular part? Any questions, guys? If you 1 minute, I'll check your. Okay. Some people, yes. Chinna? Question? Someone, Chinna. Okay. Second question. Now, just some people are asking, Sasri, we are seeing SQL file and notebook also. Yes. Python, they are trying to support this. SQL and Python is there. They are trying to add this also, but it's under progress. If you observe here, you'll have machine learning also. See? For this machine learning people have to work, means they have to depend on Python only. For that purpose, they are trying to go with the Python notebook also. It's under progress. Okay, still projects are not happening. Even projects are enabled also on this combination. You are not data science people, how you will work? Yes or no? In project, database will be, data warehouse will be, data science will be, reporting team will be. All the jobs we cannot do it, right? Can we do all the roles? Is it possible? No, right? Same way, interface is common for data science and data engineer people. That doesn't mean we have to work on ML and AI models. That's your own interest. If you have, you can learn. That's your own interest. But as a position, you'll work as a Snowflake developer or data science developers. Any one, but not both. Okay, that's the second choice. Still, Snowflake is also trying to add these options, machine learning options. It's under progress. Project wise, I didn't see any much not opportunity on working process. No, it's still not there. Still, libraries have to support a lot. Okay, got the clarity? Who asked me questions?
So any other
Uh,
prerequisite like Airflow, right? That is also needed.
Airflow is the orchestration tool, scheduling tool. Simple word I want to say. That is not related to Snowflake. It's an individual scheduling tool. You can connect with any technology can you run. So we cannot pull into Snowflake. Not specifically for
Snowflake is depending only on DBT. No,
No, wrong. That is also wrong. Snowflake individual projects are there. Snowflake with DBT also is there. Combination is there. Without DBT, Snowflake projects are there. I worked previously also. Recently also I touched one project. Only Snowflake. Advanced means we will go with the DBT.
So most good combination is DBT compared to any other.
Snowflake with the DBT is the best combination. Now, right now, market is running a lot on that. Because of Snowflake, I got a good hike, 50% hike I got. Sorry, because of DBT combination. Sorry, Snowflake is old for me. I mean, already existing technology in my profile. In my previous company, I'm saying because of DBT, they hired with me 50% hike. So that much less people are there in market. Now, bit okay now, recent days. But previously, one or two people we can count on the fingertip. Okay.
So is DBT tool also related to Snowflake? Who is
No,
the vendor of the DBT tool?
actually DBT is a cloud data build tool. Actually, that is separate technology, cloud-based technology. It can work with the combination of Informatica with the DBT, Teradata with the DBT, Redshift with the DBT, like that. Snowflake with the DBT. But all other technologies, Snowflake with DBT is the running more right now in the market.
Okay.
Because almost Redshift is migrating. Yesterday also in our demo only, I think so. Someone said that project is moving from Redshift to Snowflake. Like that, already migration is happening, right? So projects Snowflake with DBT more, not with other technology. Even BigQuery with the DBT, it will support.
Mm-hmm. So you mean to say that Redshift has some drawback, and that's the reason why Redshift are also moving the data to Snowflake?
Yeah, so many projects are there. I cannot say this is the particular reason. Maybe cost base, maybe architecture attraction, maybe features are more in Snowflake. What client is expecting, and our technology will support different combination of integrations also. Connectors we have. Maybe this all may be the reason, right? Mainly cost base. We are having separate cost for each and every layer. Maybe for them any reason, but migrations are there. Redshift is Snowflake. It's an old topic. I mean, so many migrated also already.
Okay, SaiSri. So on a high level, if you want to tell what Snowflake does to the data, what can you tell?
What Snowflake does
with the data?
Snowflake can load the data, can clean the data, can apply the transformation, can give the final business data to the reporting tool or reporting technology. It's completely data engineer work. And if you go raw data engineer work completely can handle.
Okay.
With any combination of tech. When it comes to?
When it comes to the data, it can be structured data,
semi-structured
data.
And structured, both. Unstructured data, Snowflake cannot handle.
Okay.
There you have to use, if your project is that, they won't choose Snowflake, they will choose Databricks. Databricks and Snowflake, both is work right now good trending technologies. But Databricks means again you will deviate to big data. Snowflake is straightforward, straight route and limited concepts. That's the reason people are choosing this technology for learning also. Not complex mainly.
Okay, fine. Thanks,
Yeah. I
So
can
Azure
because
Data Factory, one more
sorry,
question. So Azure Data Factory and Databricks,
both are different.
same like
Both
it
are
is
different.
working Snowflake DBT, right?
Databricks is different. Azure Data Factory is also for transformation purpose. Now that is also not there in the market. Almost projects are moving other direction. But ADF also for Azure Data Factory is also for transformation. Databricks also for transformation. Snowflake is also for transformation. But transformation keyword only matching for always. But the direction, technology, all that combinations are different little bit.
Azure Data Factory here for ETL,
Okay, I am using why
like
I am
Snowflake.
okay, okay. You are saying why you are including ADF here. Am I right? That's your question, actually.
No. I'm not saying like that. Here,
Ah, what
like
is
Snowflake, Azure Data Factory also doing same work, and like here, DB,
ah
Databricks also doing their same work. So
yeah,
which
right, that
combination is better?
the Snowflake only, I will say. Because ADF is not there in market right now. Market is down. ADF people only, ADF developers are joined in my training 3 months back, I think so. Maximum 3 to 4 months back. Market wise, ADF is tough, no opportunities, and the projects also not going through the ADF. Maybe any other reasons. I cannot say this is the particular reason because they have their own problems, right? So now ADF, nobody are learning for this data engineering position. Nobody are going with ADF. They only coming to Snowflake. Now we can compare Snowflake with the Databricks. Okay, who is good with Python? Who is interested with writing? Interested with big data concepts, big data technologies. They can choose the Databricks. Or else no SaiSri, don't want complications. We want simple and easy way of handling the project, but good salary, good opportunities, more opportunities mainly. Opportunities should be more. Today I want to leave the job means within 1 month I want to get the job. This kind of high more opportunities means Snowflake is a benefit. I explored
And,
all those technologies already.
and unstructured data, how it is handled here?
Unstructured data, Snowflake not. Then that projects won't come to Snowflake, Databricks only.
Okay.
See, again, people will get down. This is having drawback, right? Unstructured data we have. So it is one drawback only for Snowflake. It's not drawback because even Informatica is also cannot handle, right? Shift also cannot handle this many technologies till now not able to handle. Still they survived, right? Before Snowflake, those are the top level. Now Snowflake came in, those technologies moved back. I'll agree, but this many years they are able to stay, make their own market. Means Snowflake also not drawback. Out of 10 projects, 2 unstructured data will be there. 8 projects in our hand only. So it's not drawback for us actually.
And Databricks
Simple.
also can be integrated with Snowflake.
Obviously, if you want, we can do it. But that will be the extension of project. Means we will do the data. We will become work like a data engineer. Databricks platform, if integrated, our output will become input for Databricks. Their data science people will work because they will create different models, right? So many things they have to create. That okay. So Databricks input will be provided by Snowflake tables like that. Combination chances are there.
Okay, thanks.
But payment, client also have to pay for technologies, right? They won't go with this many technologies. Maximum they will reduce.
So mostly we have performed the transformation in the Snowflake. So why we are using DBT? Because of the same.
Advanced. Same, whatever you are doing in DBT, I can show it. I can show and I can prove that yes, Snowflake individually, only Snowflake using only Snowflake we can do. There is no doubt in that. Okay, but why DBT again means some bit advanced, upgrade kind of for projects. If you go with the one project is I worked with one project. That project have multiple sources. Multiple. Even I cannot remember one or two. MySQL Server, Salesforce. 2 or 3 I remember. One is data sharing concept. Three I remembered. Remaining all again so many what is source systems are there. This much big project. It's a very big project. Team only 10 people are there. You can understand that kind of project time we have to handle with the multiple tables, multiple joins, reusability of the code. This all I want to handle means DBT will help us a lot because it have a deployment process, easy deployment, code reusability is there, output reusability will be there, like that some additional benefits is there. So based on the project size, client will decide we have to include DBT or without DBT.
So
So
DBT perform the transformation with the help of Python or just is a virtual thing.
SQL, completely SQL.
So we need to do
Whatever, yeah, whatever you're running in DBT, front end you'll run the DBT command, back end command execute, check in the Snowflake. It will execute under Snowflake actually, not DBT, because DBT don't have storage layer, so it is depending on Snowflake. DBT don't have compute layer, so it is depending on the Snowflake. For code also, it is depending on Git repository.
So Git repository only we deploy the code to the
Code,
DBT.
yeah, that's the reason. So without Snowflake, DBT cannot work individually.
Okay, there is any not virtual things need to connect and all things the transformation the DBT.
Sorry, I didn't. Virtual means one time we will connect with this part. I mean,
No, DBT is like a virtual tools, so we can just connect what are the transformation we need.
That's it. That will be executed at the back end of Snowflake by using compute layer of Snowflake only.
Okay.
That means, SaiSri, DBT is made only for Snowflake like that?
No. I said right, any combination. It may be. I said no, Redshift, BigQuery, Teradata, Informatica. So many are there. Still, remember few only. Snowflake, Databricks. This all it will connect. But combination is running right now. Market is Snowflake only.
So what are the upgraded features we have in DBT?
For example, here futures means concepts. I can say we have 5 concepts actually. Okay, models. In models also subcategories are there. Models, snapshot, test cases, seeds. This all we have generally. So what will happen means here snapshot is there. SED type 2. Okay. Suppose here in Snowflake, if you want to write that SED type 2, merge into query and SED to concept wise, you have to write generally. But if you go to DBT, 2 lines code is enough. It will convert into SED type 2 concept. That kind of advanced concepts are there.
So
in
at the
DBT.
back end, we will be using only SQL only, right?
100%.
Okay.
You can question me, guys. Anyway, everyone I'm saying. You can question me if I go out of SQL and if I touch any language, I will give refund to you. Okay. No doubt.
I just have one doubt. Like you said, just for my understanding, you said Snowflake will be doing in the back end. So through DBT as a front end, we'll be writing the queries. The same thing will be executing that it will be connected to Snowflake, and that will do the back end work what you're supposed to say, and it will display the results accordingly, right?
Yes, output also will store back to Snowflake only.
Okay. Fine.
Input will be in Snowflake, output will be in Snowflake, execution back end profile. 1 minute, just about many people don't know about this option. Just for your understanding, I'll execute. Just a minute. Output means how it will go.
Sorry to interrupt, Sai Sri. Actually, we are new for this technology, so we are not aware how its flow is going on. So I think these are the middle type of questions. So we are not aware about the terminology itself.
Okay, sure. I can understand completely you. Today is the first class, right? I have to answer all kind of questions. But next class onwards, only which topic we are going to deal on that particular day, I'll focus on only on that topic. These questions they also won't ask because the first class, right? I have to give that time for them. So if you don't understand, leave it. Believe me and leave it. Okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Just because I have to give everyone 1 minute. I have to answer to everyone. See guys, this is output generally. Output means query execution profile we will say. So here if you observe, front end DBT you will execute the command, but back end queries will run here only, in this page only. I will show this part also. Okay. Who is not understanding, no problem at all. Trust me. Okay. Whatever I'm explaining on regular classes, just follow that class and previous revision. That's it. Don't do any extra work also. I will, at the end, you will understand end to end. What is DBT, ADF, how AWS is connecting, how Snowflake is using, everything. Who is having career gaps for them also, they are getting the jobs, guys. You don't need to worry. Karthik, DBT is whatever that already I'm going to cover all the topics in DBT, okay? In real time also those topics only you will do. In interviews also those topics. So I'm completing deep level of DBT concepts. You no need to worry on that.
Sesri, how many for Snowflake? How many classes for DBT?
See, I'm not dividing. I cannot say like some batch to batch sessions will be varied. Maybe they are not understanding this. I'll take extra class also. That depends on batch. Completely, we are we are planning for 45 days class. That is planning only. If required, 1 or 2 classes, I'll take extra. Because some people will take within one class, that batch will understand. Then one is enough. Sometimes I will take extra class for DBT, extra class for Snowflake topics. Depends on the batch. Okay, 45. Just think 45 classes we are going to do, but that is not enough means I'll extend the class also.
Approximately how many classes on DBT?
6 to 7.
Okay.
That's enough. Enough. Believe me, guys, enough, really.
I have one question actually. So are there
What
any
about like
areas?
after 45 days, will be like we guys will be interview ready, or I mean for the interview ready or the job ready?
You'll be if after completing immediately Snowflake class, if you apply for the job, if you have opportunity pure Snowflake, you can crack Snowflake job, pure Snowflake. No, if you wait for 2 more weeks, means Snowflake with DBT, directly you can go for interview. I have those kind of Adi Reddy. If you get review, you can check Adi. His name is Adi, I remembered. He got immediately after my classes. With which month I closed the class, in that month only he got the job. Though, one name I remembered, like this, so many people are there. I didn't remember names. So it's a common, we will get. But how you are practicing is also important.
Yeah, I have one question. So are there any areas like where AI could be leveraged on this? Because nowadays like AI is coming, right?
Yes, I will agree. In Snowflake also we have AI, right? See, AI suggestions, AI is there. But concepts wise, we don't want to go with any AI here.
Okay, so are we going to include that Streamlit also?
Streamlit, no. That is not using in real time much. It's initially they highlighted, but I am observing, no, they are not using.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Simple guys, my course how I will do means the way how I designed also I'm saying these many years the training of I already gave training from 2020 I started my trainings actually lockdown. Nobody knows Snowflake, but US people used to take the course from my side. From India nobody joined. US, UK, Germany, these people joined in my course. 2020 onwards I'm giving course, okay? That my students related interview questions I used to gather based on for them what they are touching, for me what they are touching right now in projects, what real time projects, what topics they are touching. With all this R&D, I created my course content. So how SaiSri profile is there right now in the market, same profile I'm creating for all my students. Difference is the way how you are getting the knowledge, how you are presenting that knowledge in front of interview. That is the only difference between person to person. Remaining all, whatever I have my skill set, same skill set I'm providing to you. So I'm in good position. So everyone should be there. You should get offers, no doubt in that. Okay, so I will take feedback from every person who got interview. Cleared the interviews. I'll speak with them. I'll spend some time. Where is anywhere drawback is there? Where I have to improve my course content. I used to speak everything very clearly with them. They didn't give any negative feedback. Whatever you are giving is absolutely enough. Like that only they used to say. But SQL, SQL is a personal learning. How much you train also, it's a never-ending process, as you said. Personally, students have to improve on regular basis. So how many of you going to practice regular SQL? That is also important. Okay, that's the only one homework you'll do personally. Remaining all you can depend on me. Maybe interview preparation, resume preparation, career for your tips as per your profile issues, whatever the tips I want to provide, notice period tips. Wherever, if you in middle of the giving interviews, you are not getting calls, you can connect with me. You prepared resume, but you are not sure, you can connect with me. That's all you can do. How you are utilizing my course and me, depending on that much quickly you'll get the job. Okay.
So this table data is stored in AWS some storage area or S3 bucket it is dependent.
This is sample data provided by Snowflake. I hosted in AWS means I hosted on top of AWS, right? 100% from AWS only they will give me this data. But that is not my job, right? So we no need to explore this much. Generally, I'm saying. So if you observe here, details, if I open also, they won't show me where they are storing, in which S3 buckets, like that, they won't give details. Nowhere you can see AWS option only, guys. Simple. Are you able to see anywhere? No. Completely Snowflake only. That's the reason client only will take one-time decision. After that, we don't have any option to talk about, touch about this option only. Okay, so apart from this, I thought to show you something. So this is our database. Okay, again, I'll show you every day. I'll use this option. So this is our database, guys, where we store our data. Okay, so here, for example, if I want to create, I can create new database. 1 minute. I'll create one database and I'll show it. 5 minutes. I'll hand over to Karthi. Create date. This queries you no need to worry today. Okay, later on I will explain you all. This all I'll take in the class. That's the reason. Okay, test for your understanding. So this is one database. Inside of this database, one schema. Inside of this schema, this all topics I'm going to cover. Tables, different types of tables we have. Okay, and dynamic table, different types of views. Stages, different types of stages. File format. Okay, this is not ours one. Sequence, we can cover. Pipe, streams, for tracking purpose of the data changes. For continuous data loading. For scheduling purpose. Okay, we no need to use any airflows like that. Inside of Snowflake already we have scheduling. If we want, we can use this. Function, store, procs. Okay, this all related to, again, AI is implementing, right? They added for their purpose. Not only these topics, not only this. Again, we have row access policy, virtual warehouse creation, database creation, schema creation, privileges, row masking policies. We have JSON data, XML data, CSV loading, web loading. If I say all the curriculum I have to say, guys, this all I'm going to cover. Okay. Whatever I'm covering, just you have to learn it properly with the syntax. That's the only job you have to do. Remaining all leave on me. Okay. This many batches I'm covering means you can trust me. No doubt in that.
SaiSri, how many minimum experience, how much you needed to get a
Depends. See, minimum, if overall is I'm not talking, overall is different case for person to person. If you have below 5 years experience, I will suggest 2 years is enough to keep in Snowflake. Two means exactly 2, not 2.1, 2.2, like that. We should not keep 2, 3 like that, right? And suppose if you have 10 years experience, 3.5, till there we can drag. Suppose you have 5 to 8 years, 10 years between, 3 years. This is enough. Why such you are keeping very less means Snowflake is not old technology. So I cannot say 10 years, I have experience 10 years in Snowflake. It's wrong. Nobody will agree with us, right? It's a recent technology. This experience is enough. Suppose I should have 3 years only, maybe 2.5 years only have. You can keep 1.2. That is enough. Based on the overall profile, I will decide the experience. Enough. That is enough, really. And I will divide it into 2 projects again. One is pure Snowflake project, one is pure Snowflake with DBT. The 2 projects is enough. More than enough.
So with 6 years of experience, like how much we can put?
You can go 2.5 to 3. Enough.
3 years, fine. Okay.
More than enough.
For me, like
3 years is more than enough.
I have 10 years of experience.
3.5 is enough. 3.5 is enough. Don't go to 4 also. 3.5 is enough. Already 10 years Oracle person he is. He worked in Emphasis also. I remembered his profile. His name only I didn't remember. He came with the 10 years experience when joined with the 10 years in training. I preferred him 3.5 only. He got immediately job.
So 3.5 means will they go in-depth questions in the interview? Like how it will be?
No, they won't go in depth. They whatever topics I'm covering, those topics only they will touch. In depth here, here one benefit with Snowflake, why I'm suggesting many people to learn Snowflake means if person is not ready to go deep level of R&D, means I cannot go there, cannot learn myself this much size. I won't cut. I mean this much limited subject. With Snowflake is the best because whatever the topic I'm explaining, you syntax everything. More than that, nothing is there to learn yourself. If you want, suppose masking policy is there, three types is there. I'll explain that with syntax, how to use, how to create, what are the types, everything I'll explain. That is enough. If you want to go deep level, if 5 years experience also have to say same information, 3 years experience also have to say same information. That is a fixed syntaxes. For example, I'm saying like this, most of the concepts are fixed syntax, fixed topics. If you want to explore more also, data usage will change, but topic will be same. So you won't
Okay.
get much questions. This is the benefit with Snowflake.
Okay. Gotcha.
If you go with other technology, deep level they can touch.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, I have a small question.
Yeah,
Can we parse
Hmm.
XML files in Snowflake?
100% XML, JSON we can do. CSV not required.
I mean,
Let
if I have a 10 GB file,
Hmm.
only one XML 10 GB file, can we parse in Snowflake or do we
Yeah,
need?
lateral flattening concept is there already in Snowflake. Okay. So
Okay.
10 GB, you are saying 10 GB file. Generally, I'm saying
Yes.
in
Yeah.
that nested tags will be there. Okay, right? Nested tags 100%. So
Yeah.
one limitation will be there. Nested tag means you will have 10 customers, for example. Every
Yeah.
customer, if they fill the data or if they don't fill also option, but 10 tags will be same for all the 10 customers. Am I right?
Yeah.
Right. So one
Yeah.
customer profile, if you work the remaining customers also will extract. So that's the reason, no problem. Size-wise, Snowflake will allow, first of all, unlimited size it is providing. Size-wise, you no need to do any extra work. But extraction of part also, for one customer you will work, remaining customers will be extracted automatically. I have that file, I'll explain you. Not 10 GB file, but 10
Okay.
customers file I have.
Yeah, that's
Similar
fine.
example.
So only we can use for lateral flatten. So we need to use only
Function.
SQL functions.
Lateral flatten is a function which we will include in our select query for extracting the nested data. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah, I
Thank
have one question.
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
can we load the zip files actually? So let's say like we have zip files in ADLS path. So can we consume those zip files directly from
First of
Snowflake
all,
and
why
load it?
my question, small question. I also worked with ADF with continuously 2 projects. Okay, huge data projects only. But why they will load zip files to us? We can do extraction process now, not a problem. But real time they won't load zip files. They will load a normal .csv files maximum.
No, that's
Not
fine.
zip.
Like we can extract also. So how
We
we can
can extract. We
that's
are
what we can
in a file will load into stage as usual .zip only. But after
Okay.
loading, we have to set the file format setup. That's it.
So that we can directly do in Snowflake itself?
Yeah, file format support. It will support the file format creation. No? Already it is there.
Okay, so in the ADLS path, we have the zip file. So then we can take that zip file and
First
then
of all,
extract
yeah,
it.
you have to do integration with ADLS Snowflake. We have to load the data into external stage to Snowflake loading. At that time, you have to do this process. But actually, others don't confuse. But generally, I'm saying as per this question, I'm giving answer. For the others, zip files generally not. I'm working this many projects. No zip files won't add in the ADLS. Not only
Yeah, zip
ADLS,
files in the
but
sense I'm saying like a .gz files. So those kind of
yeah,
files.
I understood. .gz, .csv files they will add .gz files because how you are getting the data. I mean, why I'm very particular about each and every point means in real time what we are facing that only I have to expose here, right? If I go with my own examples also, people will get
We are
that.
getting .gz files, so that is why
Okay,
I'm
for
asking.
your project they are getting okay.
Correct.
.gz, no other
Correct.
extension. .gz, .csv, something should be there, na?
Yeah,
No.
we are all getting .dat files, .csv files, .txt files, and .zip files and .gz files. So like every files we are getting from different sources.
I have to check that one. So I mean, you are saying .gz only. After that, no extension, right? But here
Yeah,
in
no extension,
Snowflake,
no extension.
that's the
.gz.
reason I'm stopping here because .csv, .xml, JSON, Avro, Parquet, ORC. This will be completely supported by Snowflake. Totally 6. But you mentioned .gz and no extension. That I cannot give
Yes.
guarantee.
Okay. So zip file can extract and load. That's it, right?
That extract and load, the file format is not there. .gz, only .gz.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Extraction will load. The
Here,
extraction will.
developer and admin.
Developer and admin.
Here, a separate admin is there, or developer will
100%.
work as admin here?
No work. No, we cannot do like that. 100% developer and admin roles will be different. Who is our client? That client only will be as a admin. They won't give chance to work as admin from our side. In India, admin jobs are less. I can say no jobs actually, but I should not say very
Your
less.
voice not audible.
Hello, can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes.
Others?
Now audible.
Okay. So what I am saying means admin work not there here. So mainly admin related roles will be hired in the other countries. Suppose US project means US side, for example. From India, they won't hire admins. That is one point I observed. Okay. Second thing, the client, who is our client? We are joining in TCS and we will go to the client as a vendor. Am I right? The client own company will hire the admins. They won't take from vendors as an admin role. I observed all this.
That's correct. That's true.
That's the reason I don't encourage any student to go with admin.
They will create some separate roles for the developers and then they will give access to them.
Yes, right. Every cloud technology, this is the trend. Previously, actually, we used to get opportunity, not on Snowflake, any other technology, but they are very particular about this admin roles now. And why I need
and modeling part here for a different table for modeling part also same developer they are doing, right?
That is same. Modeling part means the data. What modeling in general? Again, question.
Suppose in the database here multiple tables are used.
That all we only will handle.
Table have any relation or not?
That all we can create the relation. Obviously, joins we can take relation. We can create as usual normal SQL queries only.
Yeah, if you open just data lineage on the table, you can get the entire stuff.
A structure you can get. What is the relation between all? In DBT also you have DBT have best lineage graph actually. I love that because how much big project also we can understand DBT easily with that lineage graph. Snowflake also we can understand, but DBT one of my favorite. I'll show you all that. We have lineage graph in all this project.
Okay.
As of now, guys, simple last line I will provide here. You want to learn some upgrade technology, and there should be cloud, and there should be demand in the market. Packages should be there. I never sit in one job more than 1.5 year, 2 years. I want to change jobs very frequently. In all these cases, one option is Snowflake. Snowflake is the best option. And learning also. Again, SaiSri, I cannot learn much. I want very easy learning subject. I don't want to do much hard work. Much means you have to do hard work, not too much. 9 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours job, I don't want to do. Let me close my job within 6 to 7 hours initial days. Once I'm good in project, 4 hours I have to close my job. If you want all these facilities, Snowflake is the best because today is a working day. I think Jan 2nd is working day, right? Okay. I'm giving training. I can do morning class, evening class. So my job is one example. I have that time and I am able to manage my trainings and job plus my house. Okay. 3 jobs I am doing actually. So you can understand toughness is not there in this technology. So it's completely your choice. Yeah, that's it from my side.
Yes, but the competition is very good. It's like it is easy, so everybody is learning on that. The competition is easy, and in future also.
Learning, here one more point. Yes, Mother, I'll agree. Learning, so many people are learning. Okay, I also give training, and so many easy technology. Yes, these two are right. But how many people are keeping themselves stable here? 20 people someone joined in my training, for example. 10 people will do lot of hard work until getting the job. Remaining 10 people, that is one option. Second thing, competition is more. But between me and you and other 10 people, something difference will be there. Maybe location wise or something to hire companies, something difference will be there, right? That will give the jobs to us. Third thing, almost migrations are into Snowflake. They're changing to Snowflake. So every company is using Snowflake. Then why we won't get opportunity? 100% will get opportunity. Some people will hire. Yeah, sorry. Some people will hire because Madhu is preferring the location, not salary. For example, some people will hire you because you are giving preference to workload or something. Your domain knowledge for this project it is good, or your previous technology, something like that. Opportunities will create. Just 2023 only with November month, nobody will apply for jobs. I got 5 offers in November. Means you can say, Sai Sri already known technology, you are already having experience. Experience means opportunities is different, right? Experienced people only won't get much opportunities because we will think we know everything. But yeah.
Is Snowflake using some automobile companies like mechanical, like TBS company, Titan companies, Leyland, Ashok Leyland?
So you're saying Snowflake is using. You're asking or you're giving information?
Yeah, I'm asking.
Okay. Maximum wherever the analytics technology is important, all places Snowflake is occupied. Still occupying also. Okay. Now any even small business also they are going with the software analysis process, right? Data they have to read their data properly. They want to set their data. I mean, these things properly means 100% they have to go with this. Sorry, they want to go with the new technologies. That's a Snowflake concept replacing. Sorry. Yeah. Varun, you are asking different technology name. No, we are not using any Jenkins like that. Okay. You no need to worry. We're not touching anything like that.
Yeah, Sai, I just got one doubt. Like you said, you will teach us, and then for 45 or 50 days around max, that we will get a job opportunity based on you said you let us know the experience level slot and all. So after joining,
Right.
so what is the career level gradually? The career ladder, how it's going to be for us?
As per my knowledge, as of now, no other new technologies introduced. Now Snowflake only. Till 10 years, you no need to touch any new technologies. Upgrade you can do. Upgrade means again, I started my career with Snowflake. After that, Snowflake with AWS integration, Snowflake with ADF integration, Snowflake with DBT integration. Like that, any upgrades you can try. But till 10 years, you can settle down with Snowflake Developer. I can give that guarantee because I am also not learning anything new. Yeah, guys, no questions you can do. If anyone have questions, Karthik will provide other related questions. Okay, so till 10 years, you can handle here. Yeah, Karthik, please take from here.
Yeah, Sai Sri. Yes. Hi, everyone. This is Karthik again. So I hope you had a wonderful session today. If you still have, yes, Karthik, if you have any questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask us. You have the unmute access also.
Hi, Karthik.
Yeah, can you please ask one by one?
Yeah, myself, Dinesh.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yes.
See, my question is, I'm working for an Australian project where my work timing will start from 6 a.m. and it should end at 3 p.m., but it never ends at 3 p.m. So weekday sessions will be a tough thing for me. So do we have weekend sessions?
Yeah, we are planning for the weekend sessions also. Just connect with me personally. I'll help you with that, okay?
Okay, fine. And in the content, you have put this Oracle basics as the first chapter. But from the class, we came to know that she is not covering any basics and Sai Sri is directly getting into Snowflake.
No, actually, initially itself, we helped everyone that. Okay, so we are going to give these Oracle recordings, as a complimentary course for you. Okay, these Oracle SQL classes are the complimentary course, and we will be starting the content with Snowflake actually. Yeah.
Okay. So when you kept it in the content, it should be taught, right? So it cannot be self-explanatory thing.
No. See, each and every member, whenever they contact us, Swapnil, please mute yourself. Yeah. Each and every person, whenever they contact us, even when they're inquiring with us, we clearly explain that Oracle SQL will be given as a complimentary and the Snowflake classes will be taught in the live actually. As we are providing the Oracle SQL classes to you, we mentioned you in the content as well.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so how many classes are there, and within how many hours is required for us to start? Because I'm from
Yes,
non-IT
coming
background.
to Oracle SQL, like you have around 15 hours of content. Okay. And from the complete basics, like how to create a table too. So whatever the content we require to learn this Snowflake, so we have given the content for you. It is around 15 hours, 10 videos are there, 15 hours content for you.
So Karthik, how should I contact you personally? What is the number?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me share my screen. See my screen now. So this is the number in the website also you can see here. So 93804 This is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. Okay, so if someone want to contact us, please mute yourself, Dinesh. Yeah. So this is our contact number 93804 Our both calling and WhatsApp numbers also. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to like night 11 p.m. We will be available all the days. Monday to Sunday, all days will be available. Okay, you can just contact us on this number. Still any questions from anyone, please?
Yeah, hi Karthik.
Yes, Karthik, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, I have registered for 7 p.m. batch, but in session she is saying it will be 8 a.m. batch. So there are no sessions on 7 p.m. like the new
There is
batch.
a batch in the evening as well. That is 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. batch it is. Okay.
Okay.
Just give me a call after this session. Okay, we'll discuss
Mm-hmm.
personally and I'll help you more like how you can get the things and all. Okay, no issues.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Hi Karthik, this is Trishna. So
Yes, Trishna,
whatever
please.
we are doing the session regularly, we are not uploading in our students portal.
No, we do upload. Today is the first session, right? After today's session, like you'll get today's session in the Session-1 portal. I'll just show you how the portal will be also. And the people who ever enrolled with us, please stay with me. I'll be showing you like how to log in and how to watch the recordings and everything. I'm just showing you now. Okay, this is the website, right? I'll just log out. Okay, 1 second. I'll just log out. Or else I will remove account. Just give me a second. Okay, so whenever you want to access your content, search for RAS Cloud Technologies. Search for RAS Cloud Technologies. Click on the first link. It will take you to our website. It will take you to our website. This is the website. So on the right top corner, you can see sign up with Google option. Just click on that. Again, you can see sign in with Google option here. Just click on that. Okay, it will ask you if you haven't logged in with your Google account, it will ask you to log in. Just give your Google account here. Just log in with your password. Once you log in, it will take you to the page, to the enroll courses page. This is the enroll courses page. Okay. As I am the admin, I have many courses here. Okay. You can see I have all the courses here, but you will be having only this course. Snowflake DBT ADF batch 17. 1 second. Sorry, your batch number will be 18th actually. So you can see the 18th batch here. Okay. You can see the batch number 18 and you can see Oracle SQL recordings access as well. Okay. I'll show you that one also. 1 second. Okay, this one. Oracle recorded online training. Okay. You can get this one also. Or 2 courses you will get it here. Once you click on the course, it will take you to the page here like this. Click on start learning. Click on start learning. You can see the sessions like the session 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Can someone confirm me? Am I loud and clear? You're able to see my screen also?
Yes. Yes, Karthik.
Okay, done. So you can see here, session 1 to 10. 1 second. Okay, you can see the sessions like right. You can see the first session is about Snowflake account creation. Second session is about roles and users. Part 1, part 2, architecture. So like this every day, we will upload the sessions. Okay. Today was the account creation first session. The first session will be uploaded here. If you just click on this is the previous batch one. Okay, this is batch 17 one. I'm showing it to you, but you'll get it in the batch 18. These things. Okay, so this is the video. Below the video itself, you will be having a material also. Whatever the material we are going to use in today's session every day. So whatever the material used in this particular session, it will be added here in this drive link. You can see here, Sai Sri added this PDF. Okay, I hope she used this PDF today, right? She used this PDF today. So in the same way, every day, like whatever the classes we are going to have, all the class recordings will be updated like this here. Okay, and below the video itself, you can see the material also. Got it?
Karthik, this is the previous batch data, right? Where is our live session data?
Yeah, you'll get it. Actually, I haven't enrolled in the batch 18. That is the reason why I'm unable to show you this one. But in your login, like you can see the batch 18. And in the same way, there is no difference here. Okay, this is 17th batch one, right? I will show you the 16th batch also. I was not enrolled in the latest batch, so that is the reason why I'm unable to show you here. Okay, the same way itself. Okay, you can see all the classes also in the same way there also. You can see 16th batch here. Okay, I have 16th batch access as well. If you just click on this, same click on start learning. Session 1 to 10. You can see the same introduction, roles and users, part 1, part 2, architecture, everything is same. Just click on the first session. Session video will come.
Can you share the URL of this, Raj?
Ram Sharan, see, this URL will not work for you, okay? Because you need to log in with your account. Whenever you log in with your account, then only it will open for you. Okay?
No, which account? I mean, which account I need to open? Google account only, right?
Have you enrolled already?
Not yet.
Yeah, just connect with my team, okay? They'll help you in the enrollment process and all. Then they'll help you about all these things, okay? So this is how like you can just get the complete material, recordings and everything, okay?
Sure.
Yeah. Tushna, hope like I have cleared your question, right?
Yes, Karthik.
Yeah, perfect. See, if you are unable to see any of these things like this, just give us a call directly, okay? Just give us a call or message. My team will help you for sure.
Hi, Karthik.
Yes, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, Karthik. For this access, this is lifetime or what? After
It is
that code?
lifetime access.
Okay.
It is lifetime. You can check out here. So get lifetime access for your videos. Okay, anytime you can watch it. Yes. So as I said, I'll be discussing more about the jobs at the end, right? So the people who attended the previous introduction and demo classes, so hope you know about these things already. But again, the new candidates, I'm just going to explain you for you. You can see there is a jobs option enabled here in our website. If you just click on that, it will take you to the page where you can see the multiple opportunities here actually. What we do is, so we found that there is a gap between the institute and the students. So when they are applying for the jobs, because they are going to try on some technology, but they don't know actually like what job roles they can apply for. If it is a Snowflake developer, directly for the Snowflake developer, they can apply because they are learning the Snowflake here. If there is like a kind of a Snowflake data engineer or Snowflake consultant or something else, if there is in any other job role or only the job role is data engineer, inside the data engineer job role, the primary skill is Snowflake. If there is a kind of these kind of jobs, you cannot find them, right? So we found that this is a gap is there to fulfill this one. So what we have done is we have designed a separate job listings page in our website directly. What we do here is we are going to find the opportunities for you in all the platforms like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, whatever the major platforms are there. So on all these major platforms, me, my team, and the instructor. So all three people will be working on this on every day. Whenever any new opportunity is posted, okay, so we will take that opportunity and we'll post in our website directly so that like you can apply for it directly here. You can see here what are the courses we have. On all these courses we are finding the opportunities. That is the reason why you can see many opportunities here, like analyst, ETL engineer. Okay, so application developer, like many jobs you can see here. But to filter, you can see here, you can just click on this and you can just filter the things. Okay, I'm applying for Snowflake. So I have just selected the Snowflake here. Okay, so the page is still under development, it is not fully updated. So as it is still under development, the page is available for everyone here now. But once the page is fully updated, this page will be accessible by only RAS Cloud Technologies. Okay, if you just click on this, you can see the company name this job is posted by. Okay, and if you just scroll down, you can check out about the job description, location, job type, what is the experience, whatever the information you require to apply for the job. All this information is given here, and you just need to give your name, email ID, your mobile number, and drop your resume here and just click on submit. That's it. Okay, so your application will be submitted to this company. Got it? So this is how like we are going to help you with all the opportunities as well. Okay, you can easily like visit our website directly on every day early in the morning, and you can apply for these opportunities and you can close it. You no need to visit the 5 platforms every day, need to apply 5 times in each and every platform. You no need to go for it. Okay, this is how we are going to help you also. And whenever there is any job referrals are also available, yes, surely we'll be posting in the group also. So how this referrals is going to work, like who are the eligible candidates, everything will take care. And we do the mock interviews as well. If you want to go for the mock interviews, yes, we do the mock interviews also. Okay, so whenever you are ready to give the mock interview, you can just give us a message so that like we'll schedule the interview and we'll let you know. This is how like we are going to help you for all the job assistance program. Okay, to enroll for the course, just go to the courses section, click on Snowflake training. It will take you to the Snowflake page. It will take you to the Snowflake page. Once you are at the Snowflake page, you can just click on pay and enroll now. You can just give your information here. You can just give your information here. Okay, if you are using Indian bank account details, you can select this. If you are using international bank account details, if you are from a different country and using other accounts, you can just select this and click on pay and enroll now, so that it will take you to the payments page, and you can make the payment there and you can update us. All the payment modes are available: debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, PayPal, EMI options, everything is available. No need to worry about that. Okay. Yeah, so to know more about these things, if you need any help on this, just visit our website and contact us on this number 93-804-87284. This is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. Okay, if you still have any questions, please ask us.
Credit card option.
Yes, Madhu, go ahead.
Credit card option. Hello.
Madhu, your voice is breaking.
Credit card option is available.
No, your voice is not clear. Can you call me on this number, or can you just like message me here?
Sure.
Yeah, great. Still any questions? Yeah, credit card option is also available, Madhugaru. Yeah, you can use credit card too. Still any questions from anyone? I hope like I have answered all your questions. Thank you all. Thanks for joining session today. So if you have any questions, please call or WhatsApp us on this number 93804-87284. Thank you all. Thanks for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.